Hey guys, this is Jack from CruiseCasinoMafia.com with a major announcement. Today is Saturday. We're just at the beginning of July. We just had our 4th of July week last week, and I couldn't help but just be so excited that we are finally turning the corner and I can introduce something that was planned from the beginning. So, some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know, but over the last 25 to 30 years, not only was I a practicing attorney, but I taught many people how to trade, first at Wall Street, options, stocks, and futures, and eventually in the Forex market. And over the last 5.5 years, it has been a whirlwind in the crypto market. So we had an advisory service, a email newsletter, and most of our private members for that newsletter were being charged about $1,000 a year for that information. And you may ask yourself, well, what's worth $1,000 a year? Well, without day trading, without having to watch any of the trades, these were longer term trades. Some of them we were in for weeks, some we were in for months, some were still in. It was more of a long term growth strategy. We were able to take people that had never traded before and turn very small amounts of money into huge gains. 5xing your money, 10xing your money, and sometimes way more. 5,000 became 50,000, 10,000 became 100,000, and some even greater depending on what you wanted to do. So from the beginning here, when we decided to finally make the casino side, the casino system side, as a public situation to allow other people to get in, I knew that I no longer wanted to have to manage multiple different databases of people and clients. So at some point, I knew in phase two, we were going to combine both. So the beauty of this is that if you are a member of Cruise Casino Mafia and you're joining for the roulette and the baccarat systems and all that information, you are now going to be grandfathered in to what we're now rebranding as the Mafia Crypto Advisor. So what is that going to look like? And let's talk about crypto. So let's get right into this. So I don't think I've ever shown on a public video, but we're going to do it right now. This is the back end of what you will see when you become a member of CruiseCasinoMafia.com and join the Mafia family. So we have a back end where essentially you're able to look at all the different gambling systems here. You see roulette, baccarat, craps, blackjack. And when you click on these, you see full PDFs that you would be able to download for all of the different systems. So these are some of the roulette systems. And if you click in here, you can take a look, like we've been talking about the baccarat systems. Here are some of the baccarat systems, okay, that we currently have up. And for each one of these, there's an actual video, a teaser video, and a download. So that's what the back end looks like. But starting this week, we will, oh, by the way, let me show you one other thing while I'm in here. This is worth its weight in gold. This is volume 1 of our money management systems. This is a PDF. This is phenomenal. This gives you in one place all of the money management progressions and systems that we use so that you can test them out with the various systems and decide what's right for you. So this is the new section is crypto. So at least once a week, we're going to be updating this area, and you're going to be getting the same things. You're going to be getting PDF updates and sometimes video updates from me as well with overviews of the market and some of the baskets that we're creating, and we'll talk about what the heck that means. So let's get right into this. So now that you know that our discounted lifetime membership, that's not going to continue forever. Obviously, now that we're wrapping in the crypto, the discounted membership is going to be here and it's going to be gone. So you're going to want to check it out as soon as possible at Cruise Casino Mafia.com. We do have a special promotional code for an additional $50 right now, which is Mafia50, Mafia50. So not only is it discounted, but you're getting $50 off if you use the promo code Mafia50. All right, so let's get into our big announcement and let's talk about it. So how does crypto have anything to do with casino systems? Well, it doesn't, and that's the beauty of it. By having two different asset classes, we are now helping you to create what we've created. So here you go. So we've already introduced to you guys the core elements of the Mafia family of benefits, which is the casino systems and methods for roulette, baccarat, blackjack, and craps. All right. This is a organic situation. We just released a new system last week. I think it's two systems in the last week and a half, a roulette and a baccarat system. We are constantly evaluating new systems. We test them, we simulate them, we play them live. I just came back from Vegas a week ago with a lot of data and a lot of information that we're putting to use. So that's the core element, is the casino systems and methods. But now we're wrapping in a second asset class, which is the crypto trading. All right. Crypto trading is not something that you have to do on a daily basis. Our methods, and we'll talk about them, are not, this is not day trading. You do not have to watch your crypto every single minute of the day. That's not how we're trading. That's not what this is. It's building and building and building by slowly accumulating the right coins. We basically move into crypto coins at the right places. We build a bag, as we call it, and then it's up to you to decide when that bag has made enough money that you want to get out. Okay, and then hold your coins or hold your money until there's a new situation that develops. Many of us actually do that same thing, but we're doing it in the long term. So with crypto, if you don't want to become, a pseudo day trader, which we certainly do not, we are building in positions, and over 3 months, 5 months, 8 months, we're then slowly moving out of those positions for those 5x and 10x gains. We're currently in a bear market, and you may say that over the last 18 months, crypto hasn't really done any good. Well, that's completely wrong. We've actually been able to make more money in this market, and it's even easier than in the bull market. And I'll explain to you why in the next section of this video. So don't think this is a high-level trading situation where you have to learn any type of candlesticks or chart reading or having to focus and trade every day of the week. That is not what we're talking about here. This is more of the passive side, and we'll take a look. So the combination of our daily usage or vacation usage or a few days a week usage, depending on what your goals are, of using the casino systems plus building in this second asset class means that we have two diversified income streams that are explosive growth. Okay, and these are tailored for your needs. There's no one size fits all. So let's keep rolling here. So the casino crypto synergy, as I like to call it, the reason that these two things have done so well for me personally, and now we're introducing them to our crypto members. We're introducing the crypto members to the casino systems, and now for you guys, we're introducing the casino members, the Cruise Casino Mafia members, to the crypto side, and we're putting them both together. So the synergy is amazing. What you're doing is you're creating an absolute diversification. If you have a bad session using a casino system, it has absolutely no connection whatsoever to your crypto portfolio. Crypto can be exploding this week, and you may not be feeling well or not have enough time to be able to play enough of the casino systems, or you may be on vacation, or you may have other things that you need to do with your family. But you know that the crypto side is still active and growing, even if you're not using the casino systems that day or that week. So the diversification in assets is crucial. Second, this is a big one, guys. So the casino methods, I look at that as a paycheck generator, right? Every time we play a session, I look at that as building a paycheck. I look at the casino systems as, yes, we're building bankrolls and we're moving up levels, but I look at it as a paycheck generator. In terms of crypto, I look at that more as my long-term growth. And that's the beauty of it. So one of them is more passive. The crypto is far more passive because you're very rarely going to be having to move in and out of the crypto unless you want to use it as an active basis. That's not the way we do it, but active to us may mean only moving in and out, or adding to it a few times a month. Some people may be adding and subtracting on a regular basis. That's up to you. But it doesn't have to be hands-on as much as the casino systems do. So you have two different income streams, totally different, that are helping you to build. And the amazing thing about it is you can actually, the synergy is so good that you can actually use one to fund the other. So if you're starting out with a smaller bankroll in your casino journey, you can easily use the funds and the money that you're making on the crypto side and slowly siphon off some of that money to put into your bankroll. So let's say that you're starting out as a $5 base bettor. And let's say your bankroll is $500-$600. You do want to grow and you do want to get to the $10, $15, or the $20 base bet efficiently and safely. You can easily do that by simply growing your bankroll the way we teach you, but you can also move back and forth. The synergy is amazing. You can move some casino profits into your crypto portfolio. And at the same time, if the crypto is exploding and you're having excellent growth on your portfolio, you can even move some of that money into your casino bankroll. And we're not going to go into it here, but the two online casinos that we use allow you to deposit and withdraw using crypto. So think about that. Easily moving from one to the other, funding one, funding the other, growing both. This is the perfect synergy when you put them both into use. So that's why I knew that going into this, we were definitely going to bring both sides of the coin together and allow people that were on our crypto advisory service to get involved with the casino systems and vice versa. So let's get right into the crypto story. So let's take a look here and let's pull up. This is, if you're not familiar with it, let me make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it better. Let me see if I can expand this just a little bit here. Well, that's not working too well. Okay, so I don't know why that's not working too well. Let me see if I can blow this up a little bit. I want to just make the box a little bit bigger, but for some reason it's not allowing me to do that. Let's see. I'll give it one more shot here. Nope, not allowing it. Okay, so we'll work with it. So basically this is coinmarketcap.com. This is completely free. This is the simple place that you can go to look up the actual pricing of any of the crypto coins. All right. So normally what you would see is a list here of the ones that trade the highest. So the highest volume down to the lowest volume. And if I turn off my watch list, actually my watch list is off at the moment. So if you take a look here, you can see the highest coins. If you have anything to do with crypto now, or you have any knowledge of it, you'll know that Bitcoin is the granddaddy of them all, right? And the current price is 30,222. By the way, we were buying Bitcoin at about 15,000 and change just a few months ago. And I'll show you some charts with that. So this is incredible. Bitcoin is not a coin, though, that we normally have on our watch lists or that we buy, but I'm just telling you that Bitcoin was an amazing buy just a few short months ago. We do use Ethereum. This is the second largest crypto coin, and that's at 1861. So let's go through this. You can see that that there's many coins. We're not interested in being in a zillion different coins. What we're doing is we evaluate these coins very similar to stocks. You're looking at the underlying project, right? They're not a company. These are not shares. There's usually a project or a utility. So we're looking at the underlying project or utility, and we're evaluating if that has a future. Is it something that the blockchain and people that are using crypto right now will latch onto? If it doesn't have a utility, then we're not really that interested in it. And you may have heard of Dogecoin or Shiba Coin or Shiba Inu. These are coins that are what we call meme coins. We don't really get involved with those. Those are more like penny stocks that really don't have anything behind them. You know, when you've heard the word penny stock, and a lot of times the company doesn't even exist or they have no real products, well, that's usually what a meme coin is. People have made millions of dollars trading these meme coins, but that's not really what we focus on. We focus on something that has real value in the crypto industry or sector. The second thing is, like stocks, each one of these coins usually has a certain number of coins that are in circulation. Some of them continue to grow, meaning that there's more coins being created, and other ones have a set number of coins that will ever be in circulation. This is important as well. Obviously, you can do the economics. If you have a circulating supply that's massive, it takes far more buying power to push that coin up in value. Okay, so the supply of the coins matter, and obviously the number one thing is the interest in the coin. If no one's interested in the coin and no one is excited and the hype isn't there, then the actual value of the coin, the price, the current price of the coin will never go up. So you can take a lot of different tactics. You can look at coins that have dropped and that you believe will rebound, which we do that quite a bit. And you can look at some combination of the statistics to determine what coins that you should be buying. All right. So let's just take a look and let's show you some of the things that we've done over the last couple of years. So I'm switching now to our watch list. So some of these are coins that we just watch on a regular basis. That doesn't mean we currently own them. So here's a coin, for instance. Okay, here is, let's look at Polkadot. So our people got involved with Polkadot very early on. And this is one of those coins that we have constantly done well with. So you can go back here to 2021. So you see this $2.89 2021. This is around September. So we were accumulating. We knew what this coin was. We knew what this project was. And we were accumulating this coin between $2 and $3. Okay, right back here. And when the bull market hit, we first saw this go all the way up, look at this, to about $43, okay? Now, you didn't have to hold on from $3 to $43. You could have sold slowly here, and we would have discussed this in our advisories as to how to roll out of this coin slowly. Okay, we don't just jump out immediately. Most of the time we're rolling out slowly so that we can catch more of this wave. We don't always catch the top and we don't always catch the bottom. But if you bought here and you sold here or here, you still made a tremendous amount of money, from $3 up to $20, $3 up to $25. That is incredible. That's more than that's like a 10x right there. Yeah, it did come down again here, okay? But when these are on our radar, we are looking at the fundamentals as well as the price points and the technicals, and then we're letting people know when they should start accumulating again. So we may have started accumulating this one back here and here and here and here, and we were able to ride it up once again back up to this $50 or so level. Okay, so now you can see this is the bear market, right? We're in a bear market. Okay, so if you still had any of this coin, it's not a problem. You didn't lose money. You're still holding the asset. But what happens if you were holding the asset from, let's say, here, that you started to accumulate back in this area, um, we would be sending out alerts to let you know when you should start accumulating again. And that wouldn't have occurred until we got way down here. So we are currently building in something like a polka dot, so that when the bull market starts to pop, we're going to be able to have our average price closer to the bottom and then build it back up and then take our profits in this range here, the 35.40. So that's just one coin, guys. That's just one coin. So let me see if I can show you a few more coins just as an example. And the advisories that we do, like I said, are weekly. And we're giving you some targets and we're giving you the reasons why. Okay, so throughout the year, basically what you're doing is, especially in a bear market like this, you're accumulating. But I want you to see that you're not just accumulating for when the bull market returns. There are so many ups and downs, even in the bear market, that you can continue to make money if you want to trade during the bear market instead of just accumulating. So let's look at another one that we always take advantage of. This is one of our favorite coins, the graph. Okay, we have been in and out of this coin probably 10 times. Okay, so this looks pretty bad right now, right? This is the all-time chart, but that's not reality. Okay, let's go back. I don't know if I can go back and let's see. Okay, so this is a year ago. Okay, this is from a year ago. This is about a year's worth of data. So what you'll see here, hold on one second, I want to see the dates. Okay, there we go. So we were buying this back here. Okay, we were buying this back here. We were in and out of this multiple times, right? When you know, so I can't show you back here, unfortunately, with this free the free charting, it doesn't show. But through 2019 and 2021, like I said, you can't see it here, but we were in this. We were taking it for 25-cent gains, 30-cent gains. So we were doubling and tripling our money on this. I think it was probably about 6 times that we were in and out of it within a span of about 8 months, 6 months maybe. All right. Now what we're doing currently during the bear market is we are accumulating and accumulating. But what's happened is we've also had these bump ups. And you could have taken short-term profits during these bump ups, all right? And you can see here, this is a tremendous bump up. So we were buying down here in this 5-cent range, okay, 5-cent range, which we thought was just incredible. And we did take profits again here, okay, in this range here. We didn't ride it all the way up. We rode it to here because we were still in what we would consider the you know, a bear market, so we weren't taking any chances. But now what we're doing is we believe that we're getting closer to getting out of the bear market. So our strategy now is turning into more of an accumulation situation. So every time we have red days and we have drops, we're continuing to let our members know when to buy. So we're accumulating big positions in this graph at these prices. Okay, right over here, this 12 cents or less price, right? We were accumulating and we're accumulating again because we know that when we get back into a bull market, look at where this coin was. Okay, this coin, when we were in our heyday, was trading between 65 cents or so all the way up to here, which was $2.40. And we're currently accumulating at 11 cents. So do you understand how the risk works here? Okay, it doesn't matter if the coin doesn't get back to $2.40 or $2.50. If our accumulation point is 8 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, 12 cents, and this coin goes back to just 65 cents, right here, okay, right here. All right, that's not anywhere near the highs. It's not even close. Look at the amount of money and look at the X that we've done on our money here. probably a 6, 7x without blinking on our eyes. If you want to hold on for the longer picture, you're talking massive gains, which, by the way, I have a bag of the graph that I'm not selling until we get back above $1. So and then I'm reevaluating there. So these are the type of trades and what we're doing in the advisory. Here's another amazing coin that we've been in and out of 10, 12 times. All right. So there's multiple, and this is one of our biggest positions in Gala Games. Okay. This is a millionaire maker, this coin here, if you know when to buy and when to sell. So the bottom line is that with the combination of strategies, using the existing roulette, baccarat, craps strategies, using them in online casinos as well as on your cruise ships, brick and mortar casinos. You can take trips on a regular basis during the year like we do. You can turn them into pleasure trips as well as business trips by making money. You can use that for tax purposes. There are so many things we're teaching people here, but we have to be very methodical when we pull out and we bring in new concepts. So this is a huge one. I decided it was time to do it right now because I'm afraid that if we didn't introduce the crypto advisor part of the membership now, so many people would lose out on what's coming in the next 6 months, 8 months, or 12 months in the crypto industry. I want everybody to be able to cash flow through crypto, build their bankrolls through the casino systems, and be able to have this amazing synergy between both of them. One being more of a passive scenario and one being a daily paycheck generator through the casino systems. How you implement both, what your personal goals are for your short-term financial setup, as well as your long-term financial goals, we can achieve them together the same way that I am right now. By the way, there are also other things that we're going to be introducing that are not related to crypto or the casino systems. So this is not the end of the road. This is the beginning of the journey. Now, what I will tell you is this. We only have the membership, the lifetime membership available at this discounted rate because we were celebrating the new launch of the new website, okay, and us, introducing the YouTube channel and everything else. That's not going to continue. The system membership was not meant to be a one-time lifetime. It was originally based on an annual membership. So you want to take advantage of this now at the discounted rate. You're going to be grandfathered into everything coming in the future for this lifetime membership. The cost of the lifetime membership right now, as of today, if you're watching this video, at the beginning of July, it's a one-time $3.99 membership fee. But on top of that, we were doing a 4th of July special with a promo code that's going to drop it $50. You will never see this membership ever as low as that. So that promo code is Mafia 50. And it is available only for a limited period of time. So you are essentially getting everything for about $350 lifetime. That means all the casino systems we have and that are coming out regularly, as well as the crypto advisor newsletter that is worth $1,000 a year. Getting your money back on a $350 one-time lifetime fee should never be a problem. If you slowly and methodically learn the casino systems that really vibe with you. We have multiple systems. They're not all going to work for everybody. They're not something that feels right for everybody. You're going to find the ones that work for you. And if you practice, if you have the proper bankroll, and you set reasonable session profit targets of 5, 10, 12%, you will make your lifetime membership back very, very fast. Now, talking about the crypto, you have the capability of turning your money in crypto to do a 3x, 5x, 10x, and I'm going to tell you the truth, during the bull markets, you could do a 20, 25x even faster. So the $350 that we're allowing you to get involved with us now for, that will not be there for very long, is pocket change compared to the money that you can generate by not having to create a business, a website, selling things on Amazon, drop shipping, doing Fiverr gigs, whatever it is that you've been watching. You don't need to sell anything here. This is the perfect income generator. You're not creating, you're not recruiting, you're not selling, you're not drop shipping, you're not learning how to read Japanese candlesticks, you're not learning how to do high level options trading or any other wacky schemes or anything that you've seen on the internet right now. This is evergreen. It works. These systems work day in and day out, live as well as on the internet. They are not going to change. These games are these games. Roulette is not changing. Baccarat is not changing. This is not something that you can sell for 3 months until everybody is selling the same product as you. You can continue to make this money. You can continue to build your bankrolls, and we can show you how to take a $5 base bet slowly and methodically. Yes, to become, if you choose to, a black chip player, which is a $100 chip player. How many sessions do you need to play a week if you're earning 5 or 6 units in a session and you're playing with black chips? That's the difference. If that's too much for you and you'd be happy just being a $10 base bet player, that's perfectly all right. Everybody's goals and objectives are different. The same thing with the crypto. Okay, if you want to be a little bit more active and siphon off your profits from the crypto trades when you're doing a double or a triple as opposed to waiting for a 10xer, that's your decision to make. We can help you no matter what your goals are. We're here to help. So with that being said, I hope that everybody understands the power of what we've introduced in phase 2 here with the crypto advisor. The advisories are going to start next week. We're doing some tweaking of the website, and you can find your first crypto advisor will be on the back end next week. And by the way, you may ask, how would I know when there's new trades or new information? Every time we put up a new system or any type of document in the membership area, it triggers an auto notification email to your email. So you will know whether there's a new system, whether there's a new money management document, or whether there's a brand new crypto advisory that's been released. So there's no stress there. There's no stress anywhere. We love what we do. I love what I do. And I'm simply trying to bring other people into the fold as long as we can with the limited memberships that we're going to be offering over the next year. But right now we're open and we're at the lowest price ever. So take a look. You can go to cruisecasinomafia.com. You can register today. Use the promo code Mafia50. It's still working as of today, and get a $50 off. Join today. By this afternoon, you can be downloading some of the systems, practicing them, figuring out the money management that works for you. We're here to help, and we hope to see you on the inside of cruisecasinomafia.com. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.